If gender equality.
We're finally graduating high school. What courses are you gonna take?
I want to be a fashion designer.
You're a boy.
That's so girly.
That's a girl's job. I want
to be a lawyer. You cry so easily.
It would be better if it was a boy.
I want to be a makeup artist.
Are you gay? That's so girl.
That's a girl's job.
In every year, in every day, in every hour, in every minute, both men and women are faced with discrimination.
Denied, belittled, underestimated.
Oftentimes, it is all about their careers and personalities.
I can't wear pink because I'm a boy.
I can't be friends with boys.
I can't wear makeup.
I can't be a leader because I'm a soft-spoken.
You're told who to be, how to act, what to wear, what to feel.
But what if we stop listening to that narrative? What if we unbox ourselves and revel into the world as our authentic selves?
Let us choose equality over conformity.
Speak up against gender bias. Be proud whether you are a girl or a boy. And empower your voice.
Hierarchy mo ba? May campaign project daw tayo mo sa grade 1.
Oo, actually ginagawa ko na yung outline.
Talaga, ang bilis mo naman.
Kailangan someone has to lead the project.
Exactly. Ako nga sana mo volunteer.
Why?
Well, usually guys naman ang leader, di ba? Mas commanding.
So you're saying girls can lead?
Hindi naman sa ganun. I'm just saying, mas natural sa laga.
Interesting, because we're literally doing a campaign against gender inequality.
Relax. Opinion lang.
Let me ask you something, Carlos.
Go.
Girls speak confident thinkers. So what do people say?
Confident?
Not always. Sometimes they will say bossy. What if a boy does the same thing?
Leader.
Exactly.
Okay. But history shows, most leaders were men.
Because women were not allowed to lead before.
Fair point.
Equality isn't about placing them.
Then what is it about?
It's about giving everyone the same opportunity.
So what's your campaign idea?
Video showing how gender bias still exists in everyday conversation.
Like what they're doing right now?
Exactly.
So you're saying I just proved your point? Wow. Okay, that hurts a little.
Growth hurts sometimes.
Okay, fine. Let me ask you something.
Sure.
Have you actually experienced discrimination? Like what?
When I joined the robotics club,
That's cool.
at first they said, sure ka ba? Baka mahirap yun for girls.
Seriously?
Yep,
But you're literally the smartest in our class.
exactly.
Okay, that's messed up.
Ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay na. Oh. Awareness can change everything.
Because talent
Has no gender.
Okay, cut!
Wait, cut? Sir?
Good job, Mia.
Wait, what?
Sorry, Carlo.
Sorry for what?
This whole situation was actually a social experiment.
Experiment.
Yes, Mia and I planned it.
So the argument earlier.
It's meant to see how people react when confronted with gender bias.
So you tricked me.
Not exactly.
Responses were real.
So the campaign video.
Isn't the real campaign.
Then what is?
You are.
This conversation has been live streamed to the entire class.
What?
Don't worry.
You're not being judged.
Help the people realize something important.
Which is
Many of us doesn't realize our bias.
until someone challenges it. Sometimes, inequality hides in normal conversation.
But change begins when we recognize it.
Equality starts with us.